Your home is your sanctuary. But what if the very foundation that holds your home together is sinking? Foundation that is not properly supported can lead to serious issues, such as settling and sinking. These issues can cause cracks in your walls, uneven floors, and other structural problems. Don't wait until it's too late. Call the experts at Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems today. At Northern Basement Systems, we specialize in fixing foundation and support problems. Our team of experts uses the latest technology to assess the situation and provide a permanent solution. Northern Basement Systems will fix your foundation with minimal disruption to your daily life. For all your foundation and support needs, call Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems.